Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you how we measure. So when you measure something, you are going to start your object at the very beginning. So when you measure something, your object, so this pencil for example, you start that at the very beginning at that 0. So as you can see, it's on that 0. You're going to measure or count or see what it lands on. So look at my pencil. It's starting on the 0 and I go all the way to the end. When I go to the end, I see it ends right here. I'm going to draw a line so you can see it easier. I see that it ends on this number right here, which is 6. So when you measure something, you always start from the beginning and you see what it ends on. So let me show you another example. So let's look at this acorn. This acorn is using centimeters. We start it at the 0. So as you can see, it goes all the way down on that dotted line and it starts at that 0. And then we see this is where it ends right here. When we see where it ends, that's what we're going to measure. That's going to be the number. So we see it's on 6. So we know this is 6 centimeters long because we just measured that. All right, let's do one more example. So another example is, it says which pencil contains 5 centimeters. So we have 4 pencils here. They all start at the very beginning. As you can see, they always start at the 0. You always have to start at the 0. And then we're going to look for the one that ends on the 5. So we're going to find 5. We know that 5 is right here. So I'm going to draw a line to make it easier to see which one that 5 is on. So I can see that it lands on that green one. If I go all the way up, I see that the blue one's longer, the red one's longer, the purple one's shorter, but the green one is on 5. So I'm going to put pencil C, which is the green one. And we got it correct. So that is just how you measure different things. You always start at the very beginning on that 0, and then you just put your item down or beside it, and you see what it lands on. And whatever it lands on, that's how long it is. So like this purple pencil, it starts at 0, it ends on 2. So it is 2 centimeters long. I know it's centimeters because it says cm. Or the red pencil, I see it ends on 8. So I know that the red pencil would be 8 centimeters long. So that is just how you measure.